An in-depth look at the housing crisis.
Yeah, the nationwide eviction moratorium ended last August, and the Pew Research Center found it only took 6 months to reach pre-pandemic levels. Here's a more stark picture of what's happening. The Eviction Lab tracks 6 states and 31 cities, including Cleveland, Columbus, and Cincinnati. And just in the last week, there have been more than 10,000 evictions. That number does not include cities like Akron, which historically has the highest eviction rate in the state. Now today, News 5's Bob Jones was there as Summit County leaders gathered to discuss how to bring that number down.
Evictions have been a major concern here in Summit County. In 2019, there were 4,700 evictions. Those numbers dropped during the pandemic due to moratoriums. There were over 2,400 in 2020, over 3,300 in 2021. Today's summit looks for solutions from all sides.
It caused my anxiety level to be extremely high. I had a lot of nights that I cried.
LaTanya Tyes knows the stress of losing her home. In 2018, the single mother of 2 got sick, was hospitalized, fell behind on rent, and got evicted.
I came home from the hospital. My house was locked up. So it was really, really terrible. And when you have to look at your children in their face, and you can't help them because you can't even help yourself, what do you do?
LaTanya among hundreds of people who attended a first-of-its-kind event in Summit County called the Eviction Prevention Summit.
We want to talk about what we need to do to coexist in more effective ways.
The idea, bring together renters, landlords,
as a landlord, you really don't want them tenants to move out,
and community groups to reduce the eviction rate and improve tenant-landlord relationships.
The issue of evictions became a public health issue with the eviction moratorium and really became an issue that a lot of people were aware of it. And so instead of focusing on educating, we decided to focus on solutions.
Community Legal Aid Executive Director Steve McGarity says Akron became known as the eviction capital when a study before the pandemic revealed Akron had the highest eviction rate in the state. In 2022 through March, there have been 950 evictions in Summit County, a number McGarity believes would be much higher if not for rental assistance dollars keeping people in their homes.
What happens when those rental assistance dollars end? What are we going to do?
Gary Wyatt, who owns several Akron properties, believes it's important that the voices of landlords are heard too.
I think that we need to come together and actually start asking questions. How can we work together?
As for LaTanya, she's back on her feet, living in an Akron apartment complex, and feels today's summit will help many others.
It provides resources and it provides education, and it also provides voices to people.
In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.